off by drawing a triangle shape for your DIY squishy pizza slice. Then, cut all the lines with scissors. To merge a thick crust, cut off this area. What I did here was squeeze the foam and cut straight on the lines. This made me create the crust much easier, and this technique is also applicable for other squishy making. Once I smoothened out the sides of this pizza slice, I then colored the crust with brown puffy paint. If you guys haven't known yet, this paint I'm using is very cheap because it's only a DIY puffy paint. So if you want to know how I made this, I'll be leaving a link in the description box. Take a stick and poke it to your foam. This will help us in painting all the sides of our squishy and also in drying it. I then cut out some tiny pieces of foam to act as pepperoni slices for my pizza. Once your big slice of pizza dries, you can now glue these small bits onto it. You can then add up more designs to your squishy with puffy paint. Once it all dries, you can now have this amazing and kawaii pizza slice. As seen in the video, I only covered it with one layer of puffy paint. That's why it's not slow rising, which is also what I am up to. However, if you want your squishy to be slow rising, just coat it with 3 or more layers of squishy paint. But overall, I think that this squishy is so kawaii, and I'm also giving it 2 out of 5 squishiness level. Before we end this video, shout out to Squishy Bobo Forever, Sofia, Nora Faez, Andrea Pepito, and Justin Juarez. That's it, yo fam. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.